students, I'm going to prepare a lot of video tutorials so you can check them and so you can study from them, and I hope you find them useful. So please pay attention so you don't have any doubt. We are going to check what we saw the last class. We were working with right triangles. Remember the problems, the word problems that we were solving? Where we have a right triangle, an angle is 90 degrees, and the opposite side to the right angle is the hypotenuse. And then if we have an angle here, for example this one, which is 60 degrees, the side which is besides this angle is the adjacent side, and the side which is opposite to this angle is the opposite side, okay? Now, we also learned that if we work with a right triangle, and when we have the measure of two sides, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to solve it when we need to find the measure of the third side, okay? So we use Pythagoras theorem, but remember, just when we talk about right triangles, no when we talk about oblique triangles, okay? Now, look, we also learn how to solve right triangles problems with trigonometric ratios, where, for example, in this case, when we have the measure of this side and we have the measure of the angle, okay, so you can relate, remember, the trigonometric ratio. You can use the trigonometric ratio that relates, for example, in this case, if you want to find the measure but for the side A, you can relate the opposite side with the adjacent side. You already have the measure of the angle, so remember which could be the trigonometric ratio that helps you to find the measure for the side A. It could be the tangent, okay? The tangent of 50 degrees equals 20 over 8, and then you just solve for A. We already learned all this. And now, dear students, pay attention because you're going to learn something new. Look, oblique triangles and how we're going to solve them. Because later on, we're going to solve some problems related to this kind of triangles, okay? So we have the acute angle, where we have acute angles, just acute angles. Remember which is the acute angle? The acute angle is the one that has that is less than 90 degrees, as this, and this. All of them are acute angles. That's why this is acute triangle, okay? And we have also the obtuse triangle, where one of the angles is greater than 90 degrees, as this one. The other two are less than 90 degrees, but no matter if you have one which is greater than 90, this is an obtuse triangle. And how are we going to solve them? Because what I want you to realize, dear students, is that you cannot use Pythagoras theorem nor trigonometric ratios to solve oblique triangles, okay? We are going to use law of sines and law of cosines. I'm going to send you the formulas through Blackboard so you could have them from both of them, okay? Now, something very important that you have to realize is this. Let me erase this part of the board so I can explain you this other important, very important thing that you're going to use while solving oblique triangles, okay? So let me erase here. Okay. So when we have a triangle, any triangle like these two, for example, this one, okay, you can name the angles with capital letters, okay? So, for example, it could be A, B, and C. This is going to be angle A, this is going to be the angle B, and angle C. But always, this is a must for us to write the name of the angle with capital letters, not with lowercase letters, because, look, the names of the sides which are opposite to the angles are going to be the same letter but in lowercase letter. Okay, so for this angle A, the opposite side is going to be this one. So this side is going to be lowercase letter a, okay? And then for this b, okay, the opposite side is this one. So this side is going to be lowercase letter b. And then for this one, for this angle, capital letter C. The opposite side is this one, so this one is going to be the lowercase letter c. Okay, this is going to be very important while solving word problems with oblique triangles. Okay, because you are going to use the law of sines and law of cosines. This is like important information that you're going to use. Now I'm going to prepare another video while explaining to solve some problems where you're going to apply this. Thanks.